With this method, you will finally be able to remove all the stains from your toilet, leaving it in optimal condition. We will start by preparing the necessary device. We will take a bottle and, using a cutter, we will make a precise cut in the upper part to open the entrance of the container. Later, we will remove the lid of the container and place a tube. With the help of adhesive tape, we will secure the tube in place and proceed to cut the excess tape to ensure proper fixation. Next, we will pour a quantity of solid detergent of our choice into the prepared container. This detergent, selected according to our preferences, will be crucial for the cleaning process. Then, we will pour vinegar through the tube and shake gently to ensure the proper mixture of the ingredients. Next, we will drain the toilet water, and once this step is completed, we will proceed to apply the method around the stained areas. We will repeat the same process, focusing on the areas that require special attention. This procedure is characterized by its ease of implementation and the use of materials commonly available at home, which ensures convenience and accessibility for any user. It is important to note that any type of tube can be used, as long as it is able. To facilitate the passage of all the necessary ingredients for the cleaning process. Finally, we will direct our attention to the toilet, applying the described method to ensure effective and complete cleaning. This approach not only promotes efficiency in stain removal, but also maximizes the use of resources available at home, standing out as a practical and accessible solution for toilet maintenance. This method offers an effective and practical solution to remove stains from the toilet, leaving it in optimal cleaning conditions. The combination of simple ingredients and the use of materials available at home facilitate its implementation, ensuring that any user can carry out the process easily. In addition to its efficiency in removing stains, this approach stands out for maximizing the responsible use of available resources, thus promoting a sustainable alternative to regular toilet maintenance.